There is an acute shortage of trained healthcare manpower all over the world. The current system of healthcare education faces challenges related to scalability that include an acute shortage of teachers, lack of uniform quality, urban-rural divide, and poor technology adoption. Medrse's technology-enabled healthcare education solution provides uniform access to a digital repository of structured curricular e-content consisting of over 500,000 reusable learning objects that allows any syllabus to be mapped and made uniformly accessible on demand across vast geographies. A learner can navigate through subjects mapped to a locally relevant curriculum. For example, to study the structure of the human body, one can interactively go into the preclinical, anatomy, gross anatomy, head and neck, bones, skull bone, and seek to study, say, the interiors of the cranial cavity. In this case, a national award-winning anatomy teacher comes up and teaches the student with synchronized animations and graphics.
The petrous part of the temporal bone forms the posterior wall of the middle cranial fossa.
On every lesson, the student can take notes, share his notes, create a bookmark to come back to later, ask questions through email, and even search through literature. Like this, the student can go to any subject, any chapter, or even search for any topic across the curriculum and choose to learn from over 750 of India's top medical teachers and practicing doctors, who have till date contributed over 3,500 hours of peer-reviewed e-lecture content spanning all curricular subjects and for continuous medical education. The entire human body has been modeled in 3 dimensions part by part, and many concepts are illustrated as high-quality animations and clinical simulations, making the subject easy to understand. For example, while learning to comprehend lung sounds, a student can interactively put his stethoscope on a virtual patient from the front, the back, sides, and listen to actual sounds in, say, a normal patient, and compare with, say, severe asthma. This unique digital approach to medical education has been approved by the Medical Council of India and recommended by the Dental Council of India.
Teachers can customize this e-content and use it with interactive whiteboard to make their classroom teaching more interesting and effective.
The learning management system can individually or in a group assess students through an interactive question bank consisting of over 120,000 objective type questions with book references and explanations. With such on-demand, 24-hour networked access to the entire digitally enabled curriculum and an interactive online examination system for continuous assessment, this solution provides the means to convert thousands of community hospitals and health centers into mini medical colleges that can deliver university-accredited and certified distance education courses to thousands of apprentice students and continuous medical education to millions of working healthcare professionals. We at Medrse look forward to engage with you and help you use technology as a means to create a uniformly knowledgeable human resource pool that can keep your nation healthy and prosperous.